No.
You're trying to fight me. I will fight you and your disease.
One of those I support, one of those I do not.
What? Chicken butt. Aha. You can pull up Mr. Crawford and just type into like a thing and how to speak. I like that.
Just trying. I feel like it wouldn't know how to pronounce half my words. One of my sound effects. Okay, so.
How would you write that?
Question.
No, you just point out one of us. What if
What's each time? Hi, Joyce. I'm sick. And we're working. Okay. What's each time? What's each double prime?
I found my legs.
Then h of 6. Of course, you wouldn't write all this work, but we got the idea, right? Am I writing?
What?
How to think about it, right? Because if we have a graph of f, then the integral would be area. F of 6 would be a y value. Slope would be the derivative of f. So go find 6.
H prime is the least.
F of 6 is 0.
Zero.
The integral from 0 to 6 is something negative. And the slope at 6 is,
No, it's positive area.
no, because it's from 0 to 6.
Ah, I got you.
From 0 to 6, not 6 to 0. Gotta look at those bounds. So therefore it's going to be h, then h prime, then h double prime. Okay, right? And then 17.
I think I should go.
Ah, it's a special Maclaurin. It's even, it's alternating.
Sine, cosine. Sine x over.
Remember, cosine has even symmetry. Sine has odd.
The sine is
Wait a minute, what's wrong?
the factorials and the numbers and the ends don't match up.
Factorials are all messed up. So cosine would be 1 minus x squared over 2 factorial, but the problem is, that's not it. Sine is, nope, sorry, x minus x cubed. That's not it. Wait a minute. What if we were to divide this by x? Like this one. Does that make a difference? Yeah, because that means that every x power decreases, right? So wouldn't that be 1 minus x squared and the 3 factorial would remain? That's why C is the answer.
Nice.
Right? How could you check D and E?
Just know C is the answer.
If you know C is the answer, you could also take first and second and third derivatives and plug in 0, see what happens, and build your Maclaurin from the ground up. Or you can use what is the power series for e to the x and e to the x squared and put them together. But either way, with e's, isn't there? Oh no, there are factorials with e's. I don't know.
Alright.
Wait, are we taking a forever final?
Yeah, forever never find out on Tuesday.
What?
But we could technically take it a different day since you guys, none of you are juniors. Right? AB ones have to be Tuesday because otherwise there's English.
We're taking Wednesday.
Oh, wait, seniors are English next week. Juniors are English the next week.
Friday, or is Friday too?
Is AP Gov Thursday?
Yeah.
Okay, we could do Friday because that's A push. And that wouldn't be you guys. You want to do Friday?
Sweet.
No, it's right before the AP because then Monday. We have school Monday, right? Anybody have an AP on Monday? Do I get you Monday?
Yeah, and then Tuesday, sorry.
Tuesday's our AP.
Done with APs, then
And you're done with school.
Pretty much.
Oh,
Why
for
are
cyber
there
grad.
second semester finals for seniors, especially in AP classes?
What final do you have?
Doesn't Weitzel have an AP? Or I mean, do you have a final? He said he could have a final in his class.
Dang it, Whitey.
I think
I
so.
was so excited to have a personal finance and a Bible final, and that was it.
I'm pretty sure we have one.
But it's okay then, whatever.
English has
Wait,
one,
wait,
but
wait,
it's
wait,
just
wait.
it's just writing, I think.
Oh,
Why do we need
sure.
to write it in the school?
I'm in second period personal finance. When do I take my final?
They'll let you know.
You take it early. You have to let
It's like
all
the
of
week
your
before or
seniors know.
something.
They have to take it like the week before, something like that. But don't finals start the week before because of Memorial Day.
I don't even know what's going
Yeah,
on.
they
Yeah.
start on
Start-
they
So
start
why
on
wouldn't you
Thursday
just take it the regular day?
because graduation practice.
And then there's
Well,
another.
that's later.
No.
That's later in the day. After.
Yeah. Okay, wait. There's a parent reception during the 7th period final where all the parents and the students come. We basically say thank you. You guys say thank you. It's like this whole emotional, special time, just students with their parents before the graduation with the family, the friends, and the class, and all that. Then right after the parent reception, before 7th period finals out, you guys go for graduation practice. Actually, you're staying here. 'Cause graduation's at Shepherd this year. Anyway, I liked it on the field, but whatever.
Our band's not playing.
We were not. What was I saying? Oh, so your graduation practice, I think, is in the gym, but there might be some reshuffling to make it look like Shepherd, kind of, so that we're all used to it or whatever. And then 7th grade final gets out, your parents are already gone, so they don't have to like battle with kids, and then that's it. Yeah. Wait, and then Bash. No, Bash is the day before.
Bash it's not now. Richmond talked to us during nutrition. I guess graduation practices for 8th grade and 5th grade, which was like all the struggle with we couldn't do it on the 31st. Apparently they're being switched to the Tuesday that we were gonna have it, so we're doing it Friday the 26th.
Oh, which is still minimum days. Still
Yeah,
at
so it
15.
works out, but it's just
Annoying
Yeah.
because we're trying not to.
but Friday the 26th, senior bash.
It's before a weekend. It's kind of fun.
You will find out.
Dun, dun, dun.
AKA we don't know yet.
Okay.
They're all townhouses, just like.
Maybe, but like not a lot of people came last year when they did that, so. What was the second thing you said, Joe?
Right. You get everybody high and they'll be down the bounce houses. Just, let's see, we won't do that.
If they can run out of food, then everyone will be starving.
That's what kind of high we're getting. But anyways, let's not talk about drugs because I can feel Miss D looking at me without even looking at her looking at me.
I just realized we're still recording.
Number 20. Poor Joyce. Number 20. She's learning about whatever
No,
we're
she
talking
double speeds. No, she double speeds.
She definitely does, yeah.
So, Forever and Ever final on next Friday. Just in case you missed it, Joyce. I'm making a point. Hi, Joyce. Top Forever and Ever final next Friday. Okay. Number 20. What do we do?
You have to split it up or just
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Split it up.
what is that? X plus 2, X plus 1 on 1.
Yeah. I did this.
I didn't see.
Let's get a new part.
Oh. Can you do our method?
Yes.
Oh, I did that. Yeah, I don't think you can for the second part, for the 8 over x squared plus 3x
You
plus
keep it all as one.
Because if you do that, it's going to be messy.
Yeah.
You have to complete the square and try to do arctangent. It's just going to be gross.
No, I'm doing a bunch of like cool trick stuff.
Oh, yeah, that's what I would do. So plugging in -2, what you guys get is your numerator.
I got negative 2/3, but I got no for the x plus 2 I got 3. It's fine, but I think I did it wrong because I got the wrong answer. So.
Wait, 5 times -2 is -10 plus 8 is -2 divided by -1 is positive 2, right?
Well, that would be my
Negative
first
10 plus 8,
mistake.
-2. Good. Then -1 would be -5 plus 8 is 3. -1 plus 2 is 1. It should be positive 3, right?
That's my first mistake.
Do we have to worry about U prime? I can tell you guys that AB we'd actually do the U sub, but du for everybody is just 1, right? So we can go straight to 2 ln of x plus 2. That's 3 ln of x plus 1. 0 to 1. Right? So we get 2 ln of 3. 3 ln of 2 minus 2 ln of 1. You're making fun of me.
No, I'm saying not to do it.
Oh, okay, you guys can follow. Because you can combine those two. How do the ln rules work? Bring the 2 up and 3 down.
Wait, isn't it a division? No, no, it's not. Is it?
It's multiplication because it's a plus. Division will be a minus. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I don't think we really got much farther than that, right?
I think we're punching in between.
So let's go ahead and all just pick up at 21. Some of you guys kept going, some of you guys didn't. Let's take, I don't know, 10 minutes and see if we can get to the end of this. I think it's just 28, right? Because it's an old school one. It's old school 28.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see if we can finish A. Some of you already have. Cool. Go on to B or keep on going to B if you've been working there. On Monday. What's Monday's AP? Chem?
Kevin's like,
Okay, that's not you. Anybody's psych? That'd be the afternoon.
Oh,
Oh yeah. 'Cause on Monday we'll probably be going over the multiple choice. You can work on that over the weekend. And then Tuesday, that's AP Spanish. Any AP Spanish people? You guys are all done with that, right? And then AP Physics. Anyone tried to be amazing? Okay. So then Tuesday we'll go over free response. Does that sound good? Okay. So Monday will be B questions. You guys work on B packet over the weekend / tomorrow. Go over B questions on Monday and then free response questions Tuesday. Then we're done with 2012. Is that good? Are you set for work? And then we'll break. Well, drink some water.
Wait, it's like you just what is time?
Senior Pash has been approved from the office meeting.
so yeah, there's 2 combines for each. And those 3
I was trying to go to number 28. How many of you guys done with section 8? Okay. Jordan, how close are you, bud? Okay. If you guys want to start playing in section B, if you haven't yet, as soon as you get to 28, Jordan, let us know, and then we'll grade A. And go over questions. Ooh, I got you. But I hand sanitized recently. Go team.
You don't have to play.
It feels like the plague, so I'm just trying to look up.
I didn't understand what you said.
I said it feels like.
The plague is for cool kids, so you can't get it. I'm just kidding.
Hey, I'm good with that.
It's totally new.
Slightly bitter, but fine.
You said that should be a comedian down in the police.
Those drugs. Jordan's running out.
Oh,
You made a drug joke earlier.
Really?
I forgot my date code.
28.
Okay, got it. I had to go get the answers up for you guys.
See, how would you, not a vertical trapezoid, but a horizontal trapezoid?
Like what the area formula is?
Yes.
Big 1/2 base since it's constant. No. Height since it's constant. Base 1 plus base 2.
On you 21 and 22.
Oh, 21 is
21 is E, 22 is D.
Wait. 22 is D.
Yes, see.
21 is E and 22 is D.
21 is E?
Yeah.
Where's
22 is
Why couldn't it be?
right?
Oh, I see. I was doing negative D.
Well, I'm definitely glad I've got them.
22 is
Wrong.
Yeah.
What's 22? Creation actually. 23 is A. How did I? I'm so dumb.
I got 26, right?
Chicken boy. 24 is. 25.
Oh. It doesn't matter.
Mine was great.
Yay! 28.
Yes, I'm very sarcastic.
Yay!
I wasn't being sarcastic.
Oh,
The one time.
21 was. Alright, we already did this one.
Okay.
I understand why that, though I didn't want to do that. So,
Can you go over 27?
can you go over 22, please?
I can do 27 on.
Couldn't figure it out. You need to do this kind of. You need to do problems more problems like 22. Like, it's ridiculous.
Okay, for 22, I was convinced that it should be C. So,
I'm just a.
right?
Then you would add
Because
negative
it's-
2 to the end, and then that would still.
It's just the alternating series for absolute value converges to this converges.
which one?
22.
How do you get? You don't even know what A sub n is.
You don't know, but you know that a sub n of 2 to the n converges. So a sub n of 2 to the n times negative 1 to the n is the same thing but alternating series. And since we know the absolute value
Right.
converges, this should converge
That's what I
also.
was thinking. What they're saying.
So that
because
that doesn't
one.
have to be true because A sub n.
Because they'll be the same thing. That's,
But must that be true?
Yeah.
That's a good point.
2 minus
but then we don't
1
know
is
enough
E.
information about the other one.
Yeah, this is why we stick these. Georgie, I'm impressed with this.
Which one do you think, guys? Which one is it?
I picked C, but the answer is D.
See, I don't think it's an alternating series.
Yeah, because it just says convergence. It
Yeah.
doesn't say
It
absolute.
doesn't say conditional.
Yeah.
Sorry, I thought I was writing down what you guys said.
Sorry.
No, I must have heard you wrong. So convergent is not just conditionally.
It just converges.
So, yeah, if it converges completely, it doesn't matter whether or not it's alternating. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Good.
Wait. What?
Not what we said.
Oh, is that what you said?
We were saying,
Because the -2 is just going to add a -1 component, right?
Yeah.
So if it converges and it doesn't say conditionally, then it must completely converge. They're not saying converges absolutely. We can think of it in the sense of it converges no matter what, whether it's alternating or not. It converges.
but then C should be able to work then too.
But we don't know if the limit converges to 0.
Why would the limit converge?
Alternating series, like if the limit converges to 0, and it's alternating series converges. We don't know if it converges to 0.
But we don't know if it's negative 1 if it converges to 0.
I did that.
Well, interesting. Yeah, I would pick C too.
Because it's just a negative, and then the whole thing converges, and then you just have a negative component, which would make it alternating.
Right.
At least
right.
that's what we would think.
So
but
the
still,
logic is
it's
still the same, but it
Just
must
have
not
the
be
negative one.
guaranteed at this one. It's possible at that one, but not guaranteed.
How is it guaranteed?
Because 2 to the n on its own does not converge, right? So a to the n must converge completely. And it must be stronger than 2 to the n in some way, shape, or form, whether it's a geometric series and it's 1 over 3 to the n or whatever it is. It's converging in and of itself stronger than 2 to the n. So at 2, all that's added in is an alternator. So if a to the n converges, then with an alternating, it's still going to converge.
Same thing with the other one.
No, because in letter C, you still have,
2 to the n, you just have the negative conversion. We know a sub n times 2 to the n is convergent. And if we throw the negative in, then the absolute convergence test, since the absolute value, or not, yes, since the absolute value converges, it absolutely converges.
Yeah, because A's.
C I can argue for how it could be true. I'm just not sure. There must be something as to why it's not true. Let me go back and look at this. This is bound to be a question of like a teacher topic board. Number 22. As to why C is not true. Okay.
Would we be able to do 21?
Oh, yeah, sorry. No, that was a question.
Yeah, I see what I did wrong. What's that?
Horizontal axis are the limit as x goes to infinity. That's going to be infinity. That's going to be 0. That's going to be
Oh, is that all it is?
negative 5. Sorry, yeah.
Okay,
Because
then
horizontal
20
axis.
over 4 is 5. Okay. I just was confused on that.
Could be infinity or negative infinity. Just as
And
and that's 0 too, right? Yeah, that's the bottom line.
23. I don't know why there wasn't a t. If it's dependent on time, if it's a rate based on
Yeah.
time, why is it time up?
Linear growth.
So it has to be,
That shows there's no
and
variance.
it can't be squared because that's not linear.
Well, that's the rate of growth. So it's growing at a rate of that. So it can't be growing at a linear rate, then it'd be an
You can't have the variable in there. Yeah.
Why?
Because linear growth, think of
It's just a line.
Yeah.
Linear means just a line, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
200
so
plus t is just a line.
P of t is going to be 200t. So dp dt, there's no variable. You
Yeah.
have to derive.
P of t has to be 200 t.
Yeah, because it's
Linear.
P of t is linear, is what it's saying. Right?
No. I think. Whatever then.
oh wait, what's the correct
I mean, I
answer?
did the wrong one too, so okay.
Oh, it's all about the wording. Because the wording says, yeah, I was guessing it was a size of the population. The population is growing linearly.
It's not growing at y equals 200 because it's just constant. That's not a growth.
If it was y equals 200, but since it's dp dt, it has a constant
Right. So it's
constant rate, which means it's going to be displaying a linear growth.
okay. Wouldn't 200 t be the same thing as playing a linear growth?
No, because 200t is 1 and 2 and 3, it's going to be growing exponentially. Or in a quadratic fashion, I guess, typically.
But it's not t squared. It's quadratic.
But if I integrate, it's going to be a square. There you go. But if I integrate a, then it's going to be a line. Does that make sense?
D, I got messed up on the, or 24, I got messed up on the negative.
Yeah, I did too.
Mhm.
I just realized though, because I was like, oh, since it's a negative, actually
Yeah.
it's a plus. But dv would be sine of x, so v would be negative cosine of x, so that's where the negative
Oh.
is.
That just,
Yeah.
I messed it up.
Yeah.
Because there's integration by parts, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got 24.
Yep.
What else?
Yay, Felicinos. Probably should have
I
been
had it since she wanted 27. I used P series and then Geo series.
Yeah, because geoseries is on the right and B series is on the left. So we know that P can't be greater than 2 or else the ratio would be greater than 2.
We know it can't be -2 because that would be a negative on the bottom, which would make it top, so that's a 4p. You know what I mean? And it can't be -1/2 because then it would be greater.
Yeah, because if you think about your power series,
But it couldn't be 0, and 0 is the
remember n to the -4 is n to the 4. Yeah, that'll diverge. And -1/2 would be n, and that's not good. That's a little bit this.
because then
Does that work? Did we have to be also the question?
no, I was just looking at those.
Okay, so tomorrow, whether or not I'm here, we're gonna work on beats pretty much the whole time. Monday, beat questions. Tuesday, FRP questions. Cool.
I'm not gonna work on it. I'm not gonna be here.
I know, that's why it's homework.
No.
Yeah, homework.
Okay, I finished B, I took
For Monday.
Bandit, you're just an overachiever.
Oh, yeah. That's on the B, so I know what
Somebody just threw your bottle.
Like, grade it. Well, I guess we can grade it on Monday. If you guys want to grade it wrong and figure out what questions you can't figure out. Yeah, but. What? Oh, you're strategizing.
Steaming.
You skiing?
No, never. Bye, Miss D, feel better.
Thanks, kid. Have fun at Stagecoach.
Thank you, I will.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay.
plan. Hide behind this, you have Amanda Johnson or Amanda Dipson or whoever, open it, and I'm just like, hi.